5:04 p.m. And there's a drink cooler down. I think it's a 2-door. Reach-in drink cooler. He wants it fixed tonight. He's like, hey, could you come out and do it? I told him no. He's all, have fun surfing. I'm like, I'm not surfing. He's like, well, come over and fix it. So I was like, all right. See if I can get it done before 6 o'clock when the Warriors come on. Big game 7 tonight. We'll see what happens. Click of death here. Let's see. Yep. Not starting. Notice this on here too. So it's probably got a leak. Slow leak, dirty condenser, check, and probably a dead compressor. Let's see what we can do here. Take these off right here. This one's common start run. I'll get my start cord and we'll plug it in there and see if it'll bump it over with the start cord. I got to make sure the internal overload's not off, so let me ohm out. Let me ohm those out. If they ohm out good, then we can try the start cord. Common start is 8.3. We'll go common the run and see if they add up. Give the heater a chance to go through. And we got 4. Then we'll go start to run. If my alligator will open up, okay. Then we'll go start to run. 32. Start cord. I know a bunch of you guys had asked me for the part number on this back in the day. I don't even know if they make these anymore. But it was made by Yellow Jacket Ritchie, and that was the part number, 69523. And if you want to make your own, there's a schematic on it. That's all you have to do, really. And that's the old start cord. Bring. Bypass your starting components. Bang your compressor on. Ooh, you're busy today. Look at that. Super busy. Get it hooked up on there. Then we'll plug it in and then we'll hit the button and see what happens. No dice. Goner. Party's over. Sad evening for the drinks. See if they had the Victorias. I don't see them. That's our unit. GDM 37 4655767. So we're gonna do the compressor change on that one, and yeah, I'll go ahead and film that. If it's in stock, we'll do it tomorrow afternoon, which will be Tuesday. We'll see how that goes.